Wala rin tayong pamalit. Ano sabi?
Ano yung na lang.
First possession, on the shield. Curry. To Bert. Back to Curry. Joey, oh yeah. I know. I just woke up, Bernard, sorry.
Yeah, see. I'm on.
Up, Slovin. Is that a three? Yes. OG for three. Assist by Igril. Joey. Oh, steal by OG. Bounce pass, steal by Trey. Tumitingin pa sa akin. Kaya nga. Steal by Trey. Oh, rebound by Jimmy. Missed shot by Vince. OG to Igril. Another steal by Trey. Pass to Logan for three again. No. Long rebound by OG. Pass to Jiffy against. He traveled according to the referee before he made the shot. He released the ball. 3 up. 8 minutes, 35 seconds remaining in the first quarter. Joey against James. Pass the ball to Trey to Lovin, back. But recovered with a jumper. Long. Ball goes to Pinasarap. Steal the score is 3 up. I would like to bring our cameraman over there. Trey OG for a three.
Takbo, Bert!
Trey to Joey against the defense by James. Vince back to Joey. Joey for a long three. Yes! Assist by Vince. Long three by OG, no good. Rebounded by Logan goes to coast. No good. OG with a rebound. The score is all 6-0. Alvin missed the shot, rebounded by Joey. Long pass to Lovin. Lovin using the glass, it's good for 2. Assist by Joey. Almost a steal by Vince, recovered by Igril. Steal by Lovin. Ahead to Vince. But Jiffy was there. He got blocked face to face by Jiffy. OG to Alvin. Alvin with a jumper. Nope. Lovin rebounds. Lovin to Vince. To Trey against Igril. Joey. Looking for a teammate to Vince. Trey brings it out, brings it in. Steal by James. James to Igril. Almost a steal by Trey. Last touch by Omishio. Pinasarap ball. OG will move down. Long pass to cross-court pass to James. To James. He traveled. Trey. Lovin, no good. Rebound by James. Oh, same ball according to the ref. The Bert pass to Lovin using the glass for 2. The score is 10-6. Yes, with an assist from Bert. 5 minutes, 25 remaining in the first quarter. Igril to Alvin. jumper, all net. Assist from Idol. 2 points for Aldrin. Joey crossing the half line. Vince for 3, no, in and out, but Aldrin with a rebound. Steal by Vince. 11 on 3.
Lakas.
13-8 is the score, 5-point lead by On the Shield. Jiffy sidesteps, throws the ball, nope, Trey with a rebound, 2-on-2. Trey for 3, short. Idol rebounds it. James to OG, OG all day for 3, nope. Long rebound by Joey. Joey, long pass to Logan. Sayang, rebound by Logan. Yes.
Nice.
For 2.
Lakas.
Rebound stat. 15-8. 7-point lead by On the Shield. Sinayang yung assist ni Joey. Idol for 3. Yes, all net. Idol.
Tumira ng kambing yan kanina eh.
15-11 is the score. 4-point lead by On the Shield. 3 minutes, 35 remaining in the ball game. Same ball, according to the ref. On the Shield ball.
Dalawa kayo.
James all alone lays it up for 2. 15-13. Joey lays it up. Got fouled by Aldrin and run for Joey. Foul on Aldrin. That's Aldrin's first personal, first team foul on Pinasarap. Bonus shot for Joey. 17-30. Basket is good. 18-13. 5-point lead by On the Shield. OG long 3. Yes. 18-16. 2-point lead. Just a 2-point lead by On the Shield. It's raining threes in this ball game. Trey, pass it Joey. Steal by Idol. Idol 2-on-2. Waiting for his teammates. Idol open for 2. Didn't get the shooter's pass, but long rebound by Aldrin. Aldrin for 3, in and out. Pass with a rebound, long pass to Logan. Logan waits for the defense, but he got good assist to Barnes. 20-16, 4-point lead On the Shield. Jiffy for 3, nope. Rebounded by Aldrin. Long pass to OG. Almost a turnover, but good thing was in the half. OG for 3, nope. On Joey with a rebound. No good. OG rebounds it to James. James for 3. Short. Logan. Logan rebounds it to Joey. Joey stretches. Parsons. No. Joey with a rebound. Follow up. No good. Last touch on the Shield. Pinasarap ball. 30 seconds. 4-0 remaining in the first quarter. White ball turnover by Pinasarap. 30 seconds remaining in the first quarter. Scores 20-16. Trey for 3. Trey rebounds it. Joey, 17 seconds. Taking the last shot. 10 seconds. Trey for 3, yeah! That's it. No trade. The score is 23-16. This is not a timeout. This is just a break for substitution. Who's ball left? Green ball according to the referee. Let's go, let's go. 23-16, 7-point lead, right?
Turn around!
OG to Iger. Jumper by Jiffy, no good. Rebounded by Alfred. Backs it in for 2. 23-18, 5-point lead on the shade. 9 minutes 30 remaining in the first half. Trey for 3, no. Jiffy with the rebound. OG lays it up, yes, for 2. 23-20. 23-20, 3-point lead on the shade. Joey against Richard. Drives to the basket. Blocked by Iger. Joey for 3. Yes! Assist from Trey. Daming 3 points at 20-16, 36-20 I should say. Almost a steal by Parks. Last touch by on the shield. No. Iger to Richard. Richard back. Steal by Loren. Loren is there. Akala ni Loren nandun siya kaya pinasa niya. Steal but turnover by Loren. 26-20. Iger against Trey. Behind the back to Jiffy. Simple jumper by Jiffy. Assist from Iger. The score is 26-22. 4-point lead by Pinasarap. It's a very, 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 very close game. Joey drives to the basket. Yes! What a drive by Joey. 28-22, 6-point lead, 7 minutes 40 remaining in the first half. OG for 3, tapped by Jiffy to Iger. Give the rebound to Jiffy. Alfred. Richard the rebound but got blocked by Joey. May bilis pa pala ng gano'n si Joey. Jiffy to OG. Against Vince. Double team by Parks. Jiffy to Vince. Drives. Pass it to Iger. Iger decides to drive. Almost lost the ball by Richard. Recovered it to Jiffy. Jiffy fakes. Lays it up. No good. Joey with the rebound. Trey versus Richard. Pass forward to Loren. Bounce pass to Parks. Hook shot. No good. Sayang. Alfred with the rebound. Richard jumper. Yes. Assist from Iger. 2 points by Richard. Side shot. Favorite shot. Trey. Love it for 3. No. Rebound by Iger. Iger guarded by Joey. He escaped, but the ball was stopped by Joey. Still by Trey ahead. Lays it up for 2. 30-24. 6-point lead by Omnishield. OG, long three, no.
That's a white ball.
White ball. Okay.
That's a white ball.
White ball, according to the referee. Okay, there's a discussion there. Okay, according to the head referee, it's timeout. Omnishield timeout.
Bernard, you want me to replay?
We have a blast of knowledge on cameraman.
Chef, gusto niyo ng replay?
Cameraman. Kapit mo nga replay. Wala tayo bayad, $5. $5 kada replay.
Replay. You want a replay?
I know who's out of Joe. Nah, I was telling her I didn't know if that dude in the green touched it, but if he didn't touch it, it was out of him. That's why he ran over there after he slapped it.
Let's go. Liga nyo, liga. Parts will be moving down, this by Idol. Oo nga. Dapat triple technical yun. Hook shot pass. Trey for three, no. Outside, last touch by Parts. Ayan, hindi na pwede sa rebound. 5 minutes to go in the first half. Alvin. Bounce pass to Jiffy. Yes, with a stretch. 30-26, assist by Aldrin. Just a 4-point lead by Omnishield, 30-26. Steal by OG. Fabulous steal by Trey against Aldrin. The Sparks hook shot. Yeah! Assist by Trey.
Aba, may highlight ako kay Pards against Aldrin.
Kung para mabilang ka lang, ano score? 32-26. Alvin, wow, a pass to sayang ang assist. 32-26, 6-point lead by Omnishield. 4 minutes to go in the first half. Jiffy with a floater for 2 assists from Richard. 35th, 3 minutes 50 in the first half. 4-point lead by Omnishield, 32-20. Trey to Bert to Vince fakes. Pass to Trey, assist from Vince. 34-28, 6-point lead by Omnishield. High goal against Vince. To Aldrin pass to Richard, 2 for 2, nakabawi. Assist from Aldrin, 34-30. 2 points by Richard. Joey, 3 minutes to go in the first half. Drives to the basket, God block! Two-handed block by Jiffy.
Same ball.
Substitution. Vince out. Lovely. Lovely. Love it. To Bert. To Joey for 3.
Nice.
Yes! Assist from Bert. 37-37 point lead by Omnishield. 2 minutes and steal assist from Robin. Alam na ko si MVP. Malik. Ideal. To OG against Parks. Pass to Richard. Oops, almost turnover. Recovers it. Ideal. Open for two. Nope. Parks with a rebound. Double ano na, quadruple double na. Bird. Short by Robin, rebounded by Richard. Richard, long pass to Iger. Iger, yes, what a power move by Iger. 39-32. 1 minute 14 in the first half. Joey for three. Look. Alvin rebounds it, gives it to OG for long three, long bomb, 1, 2, 3. Alvin assist. 39-35, 4-point lead on the shoot. Higita ng laban, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, almost a steal by OG. Joey, pass to Logan. Logan almost turns it over.
Foul by Richard. Ginawa
A
ka.
foul on number 9, Richard.
Ginawakan
That's
yung kuko.
his first personal first team foul on Pinasarap. 22 seconds remaining in the first half. Joey for three. Oh. Trey with a rebound, offensive rebound. Trey throws it up. Good for two. Trey with a rebound and a 2-point shot. Iger coast to coast. He got fouled. That's the end of the first foul. 7-3. That's Bert's first personal. 2 shots for Iger. First basket for Iger was good.
I-shot mo yan kasi naka-video ka.
41-36.
Pag hindi yan pasok, nako.
Second basket for Iger was good. Okay, the first half, 41-37 is the score.